Why are you turned off for? You breaking it. Catch him. Put it in the mouth. Put this in the mouth. Put that in their mouth.
Can't.
You're just going to pick it up with your hand.
That's cheating. That's cheating.
It's cheating.
Oh. All right, catch it.
Stop it.
Catch it. Catch it.
You're going to break it.
You're going to break. Here. It's cheating.
He has to look at the TV. That's cheating.
That's cheating. They have to go around. There you go. Pull.
Pull up. Oh,
Almost. There you go. Oh, it's a fish.
Right there, right there. There, right there. Now don't stop it, Brennan.
Oh my God. I found it.
Good job. Let's get this one right here. Look. Watch Mommy. Look how Mommy does it. Look. Look at it. See?
Look at that fish, Leslie.
No, stop it with your hands. Watch. Ready?
Catch him. Hurry, turn it on and catch him.
Oh, yay, look. I can't get any of them. Look.
They did it. Wait till they open their mouth and then stick the pole in. Why are you turning it off for? You're cheating, honey.
Brennan. All right, Mom. You get to play with him. I can play by myself.